In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inline comments in Confluence Cloud. Inline comments let you anchor feedback to a specific word, phrase, or sentence on a page so your notes are clear, contextual, and easy for teammates to act on. They're especially helpful during reviews or when you want to ask a precise question without changing the main content. Start by opening Confluence in your browser and signing in with the account that has access to the space you're working in. From the home screen, navigate to the space or directly to the page where you want to leave feedback. If you're browsing a list of pages, pick the one that contains the text you want to comment on. Give the page a moment to load so the toolbar and content are fully ready. Next, switch the page into edit mode by selecting Edit at the top. You'll recognize it by the pencil icon. While inline comments can also be created from a viewing state in some contexts, using Edit here ensures you can accurately select text and see the comment tools appear right where you need them. Now, highlight the exact text you want to discuss. Drag over a word, a phrase, or a full sentence. Be precise so the comment stays focused and helpful. As soon as you highlight, a small toolbar appears near your selection. Click the comment icon in that mini toolbar. This opens the inline comment field typically to the side of your page, linked to the highlight you just made. You'll see a cursor ready for you to type. Type your comment clearly and keep it actionable. Explain what you're noticing, why it matters, and what you're proposing. If it helps, mention a teammate with the @ symbol to notify the right person directly. You can also use the / to insert a macro within your comment, such as a status, a code snippet, or other supported elements to add structure or emphasis without cluttering the main content. Keep it concise so readers can grasp the point at a glance. When you're satisfied, click Add to finalize the comment. The highlighted text will now show a subtle marker, and your note will appear alongside it. Anyone with access to the page can view the comment in context and respond, keeping the conversation neatly organized. If you spot a typo or want to clarify later, you can edit or delete your own comment as needed. That's it. By opening your page, entering edit mode, highlighting the right text, adding your note, and finalizing it, you keep feedback precise, traceable, and easy for your team to act on.